a deep dive into robotics trends and developments in 2024. In the ever-evolving domain of robotics 2024, it promises to be a groundbreaking year marked by transformative advancements. As we delve into the future, let's explore the trends and developments that are set to shape the world of robotics in the coming year. 1. Advanced artificial intelligence integration in the ever-evolving domain of robotics 2024. It promises to be a groundbreaking year marked by transformative advancements. As we delve into the future, let's explore the trends and developments that are set to shape the world of robotics in the coming year. 1. Advanced artificial intelligence integration. The collaborative dance between humans and robots continues to evolve, with 2024 showcasing significant progress in human-robot collaboration (HRC). Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work seamlessly alongside humans with improved safety features, including enhanced sensors and machine learning algorithms, ensuring a safer and more efficient interaction. 3. Soft robotics. Embracing flexibility. In 2024, we are going to see robots that are super flexible and can bend in all sorts of ways. They are like nature-inspired robots, masterful at handling delicate tasks. Think of them as perfect for medical procedures and places where the usual stiff robots might not do so well. These soft robots are going to be good at fitting in and doing all kinds of different jobs. 4. Swarm robotics. The concept of swarm robotics in 2024, where multiple robots collaborate to perform tasks collectively, will see further development in 2024. This approach is promising for applications in search and rescue missions, agriculture, and environmental monitoring, where the collective intelligence of a swarm can outperform individual efforts. 5. Edge computing for robotics. To enhance the processing capabilities of robotic systems, edge computing will play a pivotal role in 2024. This development allows robots to make real-time decisions without relying solely on centralized computing resources. The result is improved efficiency and responsiveness in a variety of applications. 6. Medical robotics. In field of healthcare, 2024 will bring forth innovative medical robotic solutions. Robotic-assisted surgery, rehabilitation, and diagnostic applications will see advancements, contributing to precision medicine and improved patient outcomes. Expect to see smaller, specialized robotic systems tailored for specific medical procedures. 7. The future of robotic cybersecurity. As robots become more integrated into our lives, the importance of robotic cybersecurity will only grow. Researchers and experts are continue working to stay one step ahead of cyber threats, ensuring that our robotic helpers remain safe, secure, and trustworthy.